Current Dogelon Mars cost generally is $0.0000025, elon down roughly 2.51% inside the sort of most recent 24 hours, or so they generally thought. Dogelon Mars pick up bullish speed over the in every way that really matters, past week acquiring 1.42%. Which most certainly is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars sort of is floating at $1,078,656. 28 July 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and by and large attempt to respond to these habitually clarified some things, facts. What truly is transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars? Especially is elon a very wise speculation, or so they certainly thought. Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very critical. In any case, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the elon specialized examination, for the most part let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situations, which really is genuinely huge. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,182,183,498,100, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The for the most part complete exchanging volume truly remains at $26,292,611,763 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%, which by and large shows that Dogelon Mars support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.23%. Coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours in an in every practical sense, significant way. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. BNB, the local coin of BNB, basically is up by 0.08. And right now exchanging at $241.76 in a genuinely significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so 28 July 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some things, facts. What fundamentally is truly transient cost expectation for Dogelon Mars, especially is elon a fundamentally wise venture, which basically is genuinely critical. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market generally is going in an especially descending course for certainly present moment. Right now, an especially broad most certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The truly day-to-day outline of Dogelon Mars sort of shows that the elon cost truly has a very descending development with a 2.51% diminishing in beyond 24 hours, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars elon coin explicitly is remaining at $0.0000025, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, or so they generally thought. Elon cost changes 1.42% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume in every practical sense is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars in a huge manner. What especially is Dogelon Mars elon in an unobtrusive way? Dogelon Mars fundamentally is a canine-themed image coin on Ethereum and Polygon, exhibiting that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large has seen a value decline of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, or so they thought. It follows the case of commonly other fruitful canine coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu and Floki Inu in a really significant manner. Dogelon Mars basically plays on a few famous topics in the image coin space, which explicitly is very huge. Its name generally is a combination of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the extremely rich person business visionary who basically is a candid ally of Doge. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars explicitly is drifting at $1,078,656, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. It insinuates Mars, a twist on the kind of well-known moon image, inferring that Dogelon will encounter an enormous vertical development, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Past its extremely facetious name, Dogelon Mars especially has certainly figured out how to generally fabricate a critical local area with in every practical sense in excess of 300,000 Twitter supporters and sort of in excess of 84,000 devotees on Wire in an exceptionally significant manner. Who are the organizers behind Dogelon Mars in an unobtrusive manner? Very much like is the situation for its most certainly more unmistakable and sort of additional laid-out cousins. The organizers behind this especially specific canine coin in every practical sense are somewhat obscure in a genuinely significant way. That for the most part is to some degree an essentially normal event for image coins, and financial backers by and large are very much encouraged because of an expected level of effort. With generally secret coins too in every way that really matters. Try not to succumb to noxious practices like map pulls and leave tricks. So Elon explicitly has been available for quite a long time, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, showing how BNB, the genuinely local coin of BNB, truly is up by 0.08 and presently exchanging at $241.76, which generally is genuinely critical. What in every practical sense makes Dogelon Mars most certainly remarkable in a fundamentally huge manner. Dogelon Mars for the most part utilizes a diverting truly comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his especially goes through the stars. For the most part a few certainly short comics explicitly are distributed on the coin site that basically follow Dogelon on his undertakings to Mars, where he in a real sense meets companions and goes on experiences, showing how that sort of is to some degree a fundamentally normal event for image coins. And financial backers basically are very much encouraged essentially because of by and large expected level of effort with semi-secret coins to try not to succumb to vindictive practices like carpet pulls and leave tricks. So Elon especially has been available for sort of a while, making the probability of the coin being a trick moderately little, showing how BNB, the kind of local coin of BNB for the most part, is up by 0.08 and as of now exchanging at $241.76 in an in every way that really matters significant way.